hands to help us create the best possible wheelchair ever.
Do you have any mobility issues around your house that you want solved?
Wait. I already spent a fortune on my current wheelchair. How can you expect me to be able to afford a new high-tech one?
Right. So we need to figure out a way to make your wheelchair more affordable.
Maybe we could make a kit that attaches to your existing wheelchair instead.
Brilliant! I think that should work.
So now that we've handled that, we're ready to tackle any other mobility issues you want solved.
Well, I was looking up the stairs. I always need someone to help me with a wheelchair and trying to go on the floor.
So we need to figure out a way so your wheelchair can travel up and down the stairs with you.
Oh, it could hook into your stair climber system, so it essentially becomes a stair climber all by itself, allowing your wheelchair to travel up and down the stairs with you. Why don't you just have it climb up the stairs by itself?
Oh, no, I've seen those that do that. They're terrifying.
They can't be that bad.
They are. Like a roller coaster with a bunch of straps, and they're really expensive.
I know I might sound lazy, but I get tired of having something in the house all day. Why don't I use it?
I've got
What about voice commands?
Now, how would that work?
We could link phrases to commands and say kitchen to go to the kitchen.
No, you'd always have to start in the same place. After the command, you'd end up in the wrong spot. We could use RFID tags.
RFID tags, what are those?
RFID tags are radio frequency identification and devices for tracking and identification. It also transfers data from one tag to another.
It wouldn't know what direction it's facing.
We could give it an internal gyroscope. That way it'd always know what direction it's in.
I like it.
Well, can we see a demonstration?
We'll have one ready by tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Spin it. Ah.
Not the whole people.
Whole table.
The next day.
FYI, this might be buggy. Some kids earlier today broke it.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
fix it.
Get a chain.
Welcome back. Are you ready to see the demonstration?
No, we just came because the chairs are cozy.
Don't see us, my hands. Let's see it.
Okay, start it up.
It will go down by the.
This wheelchair equipped with our kit will descend the stairs upon the command. Down. Say it louder. Down.
Whoa.
I see, it just hooks into your stair climber's rail.
Now switch to the navigation pad.
I'll show the room navigation.
What command does it use to do that?
Kitchen. Kitchen.
Wait, do you guys have line signal in my house?
No, of course not. This kit to demonstrate how it has to navigate through your house. It will be linked to funds by RFID tags and internal gyroscopes just for the demonstration.
I'll buy it.
Done, yes.
Yes, we're done.
Trying to see what's on the other side of the board.
It just hooks into this.
Yeah, that's.
So then you just, we made like a thing that just made it so. Just plug it in.
You just, and that charges. Powers it.
Or no, this powers the stair climber.
Oh, I
Yeah.
see. Oh,
So-
okay,
And
okay.
this receives the thing. And this,
And it doesn't actually detect your voice. It's just
Yes.
a sound.
Yeah,
because we can't have it detect a certain sound.
yeah, you just,
Yeah.
because he just tapped it when you wanted it to go because.
Because it's a little.
Yeah, it
So
can't
you would have
hear
it
it
like
really
right
loud
next to you.
sometimes.
It's like when you're sitting in it.
We were
So
limited
you'd
by
see
the
like all
technology.
Yeah.
But we made the most of it.
Yeah.
But this is a prototype, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's.
I don't
like,
think
you have
anyone
more
would buy
advanced
this.
sounds. You have more advanced sound systems on a real one. Like actually, like,
Also, I do not understand why we are just not selling.
yeah.
So, how did you decide on this as your project to present?
Well, we talked to members of our families, older members,
And I call it,
to see what problems they had.
yeah, Colin's problem was mobility issues.
How they didn't feel like they had to rely on other people for everything.
Yeah, they wanted to be like self-efficient.
That's what this is for.
Oh, don't worry about that.
So did you work out how to build this robot by yourself?
Yeah, we split into multiple parts on this.
Yeah,
Patrick was the one who did a lot of work.
yeah.
Yeah, most, like he was the one that came up with like a
Of course, we
plan.
all
Yeah,
researched.
we had to keep making it and scrapping it and changing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what type of research did you do to design it and to build it and all?
Oh,
and
we
all
did. We searched like stair climbers, and we watched a video on the other ones. Like when he said like, "I've seen those. They're terrifying."
Yeah.
We
Yeah,
saw
we
them.
found-
yeah, we
because
found some
their
pictures of that.
wheels rotate up the stairs.
Made by the person who actually created Earth.
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
it just goes like that,
It's
basically. And,
Like, we said, because the person.
and it takes forever too. So we
Stairs.
just decided to make it like a kit that attaches to your stair climber rail.
Yeah, it's like safer and it's less expensive. Because probably already have a stamp on it.
So, well, we didn't really get to like work out like all the tweaks, but these are supposed to be like the walls, like the black lines.
Yeah.
Oh.
And the green line just is to show the navigation of the path that it's taking.
That's supposed to take.
Right.
Doesn't always get it correctly.
So,
Have you shared this idea with other people? No? How about the family members you talked to? Did you tell them about your ideas?
yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
What did they think?
I thought it was pretty good.
Have you thought about if you're really going to build that robot, how much will it cost?
Well, since it's a kit,
Yeah,
since it's a kit that
It attaches to your wheelchair.
So you don't have to design the actual wheelchair,
yeah.
it's just the kit?
Yeah,
Yeah.
so it's what's expensive. And we did this, but it was like, we figured that if they already had a wheelchair and stairs in their home, they'd already have a stair climber. So instead of having it go up the stairs by itself, we had to hook up their stair climber.
in case it was very told, I was supposed to be like a focus group.
And yeah, because
Yeah.
these were the old people and
We had old people
they
costumes,
were
you know,
the
for sake of it.
engineers that were making it.
Probably should have thought, but you know, for focus group, we probably should have brought in people who can't stand.
Yeah, well, different tiers.
That's why Calvin was gonna do the cave.
Yeah, but people said it was too slow, so.
So how long have you been working on this project?
For a couple of months. I think we kind of
It's
started
physics
as,
robotics started
yeah, we started just like, what do we do? Then it was,
wheelchair and like build a wheelchair.
wheelchair.
And
And then
then
they
we
figured out
designed
how we
parts
do
for the
everything
wheelchair,
about it. Like,
Deal.
they kind of got the idea for it, then they like worked out the
Yeah,
details
like I
on
figured out what we was gonna be able to do.
the Jimmy Trifidar.
Well, that was, yeah.
That was its nickname.
And how did you decide to present it this way?
Uh,
I kind of based on last year probably. Remember how we did like a game show last year? Well,
yeah.
are the
We decided to like a fun way to present it.
Yeah,
So
we
just like
figured a focus
to have some fun
Yeah.
with it more than just like working on it.
kind of showing
like
the ideas.
it's like an assignment or something. We try to make it fun.
Like this is like the creation of the wheelchair, not just demonstrating the wheelchair.
Yeah.
Tell us, what did you learn?
We learned
I learned that when in research, I learned that there was a voice command thing that works better than the human ears. You know, because we researched different types of voice commands. And
Yeah, I learned that there's a lot of wheelchairs that can go upstairs by themselves, but surprisingly, no one's really done the stair climber thing yet. Like in some, like
they've
else
done like
places,
stair
they've had
comfort, but not
stair-
kits.
they'd have stair climbers that you could get your wheelchair onto, but they didn't have wheelchairs that could attach to stair climbers. We couldn't find any of those.
Yeah, I think you would have to buy like 2 wheelchairs because like the stair climber only had a seat.
Or you'd have to have someone help you.
Yeah, but we just decided a kit that attaches it so you don't have to buy another wheelchair. And it always has to be in there.
Or have someone.
Oh, and like we decided a few other things too. Like if it got stuck in the middle, it'd just automatically go back down. Like if let's say the power went out right when they were in the middle of it.
Like the
it'd just go down.
robots.
Yeah, it has a battery,
Oh,
yeah.
battery.
which it uses in emergency.
And then if
Yeah, we tried to think about many of the possible things that could happen and how to solve it.
we came up with a bunch of ridiculous ones.
The best
What
brainstorm
happened if
we
we were
had.
attacked by bugs?
Yeah, what if there's a hurricane, flood, giant attack, and laser beams fire.
In a zombie apocalypse, this would not be fast enough to escape.
Let's go. Giant T-Rex just
Okay, let's
stops
go.
right on the spot.
I see what you mean. All right.
Okay, good. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you
Yeah.
very much. Are you having fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got nothing left today, really.
Now, except to just have fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or if
The
we make
work's
finals.
done.
Sabotage
Or
the
if we
others.
make the semifinals, you have to do that. But